You said self-love, inner power. What is that one thing which made that shift in your mindset?
I think the shift in my mindset came because, since childhood, I never wanted to be anyone.
Because a lot of people feel
Yes.
stuck. We have nowhere to go. हम life में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Now it is very very impossible.
Okay, see, if anybody feels that, you can't do it or you feel like nahi ho payega, the only thing which I want to tell you is keep believing in that inner person inside you. जिस दिन आप अपने अंदर की आवाज को सुनना स्टार्ट कर दोगे ना, बाहर की दुनिया कुछ भी बोले कभी फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
Welcome everyone. I really welcome you all to this wonderful show which I'm starting today with one of the very special guests, one of the inspiring person. I'm so happy to start this Krishna Talk show with Gargi Arya. Welcome Gargi. She is India's youngest manifestation coach, life coach, business coach. She's a TEDx speaker. The list is endless and she's just 17 years, guys. Yes, you heard it right. She's just 17 years. So let's hear it from Gargi. Welcome, Gargi.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for calling me here. It's such a pleasure to be joining you. And hello, everyone, to all the people who are joining.
Thank you. Thank you for joining. I would like to start by your inspiring words, by your inspiring journey. Share us about your journey because you started at the age of 13 into this coaching, into transforming people, helping people. How did you start and what made you start this?
Okay. My story actually started at the age of 13. Everything was going well in my life. I was in ninth standard at that point of time during COVID. It all started during COVID pandemic. In 2020, life was going very smooth. But suddenly I hit that disaster in my life where I lost someone I loved, not because of death but because of some clashes in our family, and that experience had a lot of sort of impact on my life. In my life I was like, because of it I started going through those mental health issues like depression. I was there for around 1 year and it kept on going. I kept on acting as if I was happy on the outside front, but inside I knew I'm going through a lot of things. And
And you were just
mm,
13 years at that
yes,
time, right?
yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And I knew I had everybody around me to share those things with and to talk it out. But you also know, like when you are going through something like this, you lost all the trust on people. So
Yes.
I was in the same situation until I hit that enough is enough moment where I attempted to kill myself. But the only thing which stopped me was there was a voice inside me and she was shouting on me that you can't do it.
Hmm.
You just can't do it. This is not an option for you. And that's when I made one decision of my life which changed everything, and that was to take charge. Like whether good happens, whether bad happens. And just
Yes.
to make a long story short, then I got introduced to personal development space. I started healing myself. I started practicing gratitude, self-love,
Yes.
and then to coaching.
You said self-love, inner power, transforming yourself, self-development, personality development. These are the things which are ignored by many. And you
Yes.
being at only 13 years at that point of time, what is that one thing which made you to think, what is that one thing which made that shift in your mindset?
Okay. I think the shift in my mindset came because, since childhood, I never wanted to be anyone. I wanted to set an example. I wanted to do something big, but I didn't know how to do it big because वो society के culture
Yes,
चलते
yes.
रहते हैं, doctor, engineer, teacher, all of those things.
Okay.
But when this actually happened in my life, and when I saw people like Success Gyan mentors doing really
It's
well
really well.
by helping people, that was a real calling for me that I want to go ahead with this.
How did family take this? Because at that time, many of the parents want children to focus, as
Yes.
you might have also been in your school.
Hmm.
At that time, when you said to your parents that you want to do this, how did they take it?
Okay. See, initially when I spoke about life coaching to my family and friends, they were like, "ये क्या होता है? What is
ये
this
क्या?
something?" And a lot of people used to think whenever I used to tell that I want to be a coach, they used to say don't be a motivational baba who is going on social media and
Yes,
telling about life and all. So
yes,
that's when, of course, us time pe aaj it feels like funny, but us time pe it was very much, I was very much hurt by these statements because I knew that I had potential in this only, and everyone
hmm,
used to tell me that, इसके अलावा तुम कुछ
क्या
और भी
और
करते रहो.
पर ये
But
मत करो, कुछ
yes,
और करते रहो.
yes. But
Yes,
like I also do podcasting. So I heard somebody on my show telling me that Gargi, if you had full faith on your plan A, you
yes,
never have to doubt or
yes.
make any plan B. No matter कितने भी लोग आपके plan A पे doubt करते हैं. And that was the only fire that kept me going. Even when other people reacted, I believe that work in silence, your results will itself silent, वो खुद ही चुप हो जाते हैं लोग. Yes.
Absolutely. How did your friends take it? You might have had a circle of friends. उन लोगों ने कैसे लिया? And what kind of thoughts you were getting from those people, from your friends?
Okay. See, like regarding the friends, what I will suggest is when I started, of course, a lot of people. There were mix of groups. There were also friends who were very inspired, but there are
Mhm.
also people who I felt that ये बुरा ही कहेंगे, and वही चीज criticism and all चलता रहा.
Yes.
But today, being at this stage and helping people when I upload my statuses, stories, I know there are many people who still criticize me. But जिनसे मैंने कभी उम्मीद भी नहीं की थी कि they are going to appreciate my work, they come and tell and appreciate it. So it's a
Obvious,
mix. Yes.
obviously, you're an inspiration to kids of your generation because it is not easy for
Mm.
anybody. Of course, this is the best time for anybody to grow, irrespective of age. But at
Yes.
the age of 13, 5 years back, and that too during COVID, it might not have been easy for you.
Yes.
Now you help people, you founded the Quantum Leadership Academy. Tell us about that. How did that happen?
Okay. See, like I always, when I went through this mental health issue, there was one point in my life where I used to talk to universe and God, and I used to tell that just be then I am out of this. I promise you, I will not let anybody who comes in my space suffer through any of it. Because at that point of time, all I wanted was somebody who can really understand without saying. And
Yes,
that's when the vision came that I want to build a safe space for people where they can talk about anything. And it was not Quantum Leadership Academy first. It kept on. I kept on changing names, but this was the final one, which I made it this year. So it all started with a community called Dream by Design Academy, which was all a place for manifestation. And as it kept on growing, today it's all a place for coaches and trainers.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Such an inspiring story at this age. I would like to specifically say you're also a TEDx speaker. How did that happen? Tell us your TEDx moment.
Okay. See, like TEDx was the biggest dream, one of the biggest dream that I had
Yes.
been seeing since I think 2021 when I made my first vision board. And since 2021 it was on my vision board, 2022 it was on my vision board. Last year in November, on 22nd November, I actually went there. So the only thing which I learned from TEDx stage is while standing there, I just thought, because मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि TEDx पे सिर्फ वही जा सकते हैं who have a lot of achievements, and compared to my followers or any other thing, I did not have many things. But when I went there, I just had one mindset and one breakthrough shift after it, that if you really start something with pure intention, you will
Purity.
be able to achieve many things that you feel are not going to happen.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And when in your Quantum Leadership Academy, as I'm again repeating, I'm really proud to have you on my show today. You're the youngest, my guest in my 75 plus podcast. So
Okay.
in your academy, there will be people who are elder to you, maybe senior
Yes.
citizens, housewives, mothers. How do you interact with them? How do you uh, coach them? What are the challenges you face, and how all you help them? In what all way?
Okay. See, like it first started with manifestation and personal growth. But then I started finding my strength was more in helping coaches and trainers. So today it's a community, I'll say, not only where we work on the coaching part of it, but it's a mix because coaches also need a mentor and personal
Yes.
development thing. So it's a community of both personal development and helping people to start their coaching business, whether they are a life coach or whether they are into any other topic. But if I have to just say it in one word, then Quantum Leadership Academy is a space for all the people who want to do something big in their life.
How many
Yes.
people you have in your Quantum Leadership Academy?
Right now, we are a group of 137 members.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Yes.
I wish that it should grow to hundreds and thousands, because what you're doing at this age, it's not easy for everybody to do. And the enthusiasm and the zeal which you have, that's really makes you stand out.
Thank you, ma'am.
How do you manage your schooling? You have just completed 12th, right?
Yes, yes.
And in what subjects
Mm.
and what do you decide to pursue in the study field?
Okay, so I pursued arts background in my school, 11th and 12th, because I wanted to go for psychology. Being in this field, I
In this
wanted
field.
to be more in psychology. So, since I think 12th starting or ending से मेरा mindset था कि I don't want to go
Don't know.
to college. Right, because maybe it might have been coming from our mentors as well, but seeing all those things, and because I was completely aligned, मेरे लिए वहां जाना एक time waste ही लगा था मुझे. So what I felt, I gave CUET, I got selected in Zakir Hussain Delhi University, but I only went 2 times, right? I
Yes.
only went 2 days, and then I made the decision to leave the regular part, and I continued with distance learning. So I am right now, doing psychology honors from IGNU. So that's like a distance learning education.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And the kind of enthusiasm you have, distance doesn't matter. You
Yes.
can learn from any space and inspire anybody.
Yes.
Like when it comes to manifestation, what are the techniques? Because people don't easily manifest what they want. They found it to be difficult. बहुत time पे लोगों को वो बहुत vague लगता है. If you can put that in simple terms so that youngsters like you can follow that.
Okay, see, like manifestation for me, what I like to define is you have that one dream, और उसको बस आप, just like you go to a restaurant and you order the food
Order.
and then you wait for it to come. Similarly, when we are doing the manifestation, for me, it's like you are clear on your vision. You just ignite that intention in the universe that I am willing to do this, and you show the universe every single day आप कुछ करो, because manifestation, a lot of people feel बस सोचा हो गया.
Because a lot of people feel stuck. We have nowhere to go. हम life में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Now it is very, very impossible. I have this problem, that problem. What do you have to say to them?
Okay, see, if anybody feels that you can't do it, or you feel like nahi ho payega, the only thing which I want to tell you is keep believing in that inner person inside you. Because the only thing which saved me from taking that huge step in my life was just this inner voice. एंड जिस दिन आप अपने अंदर की आवाज को सुनना स्टार्ट कर दोगे ना, बाहर की दुनिया कुछ भी बोले कभी फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग. So I think that is the one advice. And coming to like manifestation, the 3 to 4 steps that you can follow is set a vision for yourself, set a why, क्यों चाहिए, like every single day. It's not that life is not smooth. आप कोई भी career चुनोगे वहाँ पे challenges आएंगे. You will, like if I say in coaching, maybe there were days where people do not show up, where I have bad days, where I have worse days, where I am not feeling productive, where maybe something is going wrong in my own personal life, where results are not coming. But again, every single day I need to remind myself why. मैंने start इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मैं give up करूँ. So that is the second thing. The third thing in manifestation is every single day you have to match the vibration of the universe so that उसको लगे तो कि आपको ये करना है. If you are dreaming of something big and आप अपनी present moment पे उसके लिए कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो, you are feeling sad, वो vibe भी match नहीं हो रही है. So, every single day, start practicing gratitude,
That
self-love, or anything that keeps you in high energy. And the last thing is surround yourself with people who have a
uh,
vision. Agar,
yes,
it said कि अगर you are with
the
losers, you will become a loser. And if
you're
you,
the average of 5 people whom you talk every day.
yes, absolutely.
Yes,
So the people you surround yourself with, they are the ones who are controlling your subconscious patterns.
yes, yes. No, do your friends come to you for life coaching or to take some suggestions or tips from you, Gargi?
Okay, so sometimes they come. I will not tell every single time because I do not have a lot of friends. अगर मैं सच बताऊँ तो I only talk with 2 friends, not more than it. And they are also connected with me
You won't
from
have
school.
time only, right? You won't
Yes,
have time only now, right?
yes, yes. That is also one thing.
Hmm. Hmm. 5 things which you want to say to the youngsters of your age who are
Hmm.
feeling stressed about their studies. School खत्म हो गया, college जाना है. They don't know what stream to choose. Parents are forcing to take science or commerce. What do you want to say to those youngsters?
Hmm. Okay, see, like the first thing I will suggest is to any people, if they are watching right now of my age, the first thing is तुम्हें जो करना है उस पे क्लियर रहो, right? Because of course ये एक exploring journey होती है. Some people are very clear on their goals. Some people have to
People are.
go through that exploring journey. So be open to explore if you are not clear. If you are clear and if your parents are not supporting you, it takes courage to talk it out,
Yes, yes.
right?
That is the most difficult part which
Yes.
kids of this age feel. उनको लगता है पेरेंट्स
Right.
क्या बोलेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगा, all that
Yes.
things.
When I made the decision that I don't want to continue with college, there were also like many things जो आता था मेरे mind में कि what will other people think.
Think.
But the only question which I ask myself every single day is when let's say for example when I will be after many years, when I will be on the deathbed, I do not want to have a regret कि मैंने कुछ किया नहीं जो मुझे करना था जस्ट
Yes.
बिकॉज मेरे बारे में लोग क्या बोलेंगे. लोग बोलते रहेंगे, उनका कुछ नहीं होगा. बट आपको अपनी लाइफ अगर सुधारनी है तो यू सी वेयर यू वांट टू गो, right?
Yes.
So and of course it takes a lot of courage to
Yes.
shut down the world's voice, because it does not suit to the world when you progress. बहुत लोग आते हैं जो आपके साथ चलेंगे, जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर जा रहे हो
ऊपर जाओगे, it's
वो चले जाएंगे.
cut
They
off होते
won't be
जाएंगे.
able to. Yes,
They
they
will
and
disappear.
yes, and one thing which I have learned is this only: when you start moving up, many
You will
people will start leaving, and that's fine, even
That's
if they
fine
are
because
close.
you're growing
Yes,
and you're growing because of your personal experiences
yes.
and need of the hour to transform people's life. Gargi, tell me one thing. Any of your experience, you have coached more people who are more elder to you. Any one thing which you can share that somebody had come to you who is little aged in life, whom you had helped through your counseling?
Okay,
There must
okay.
be many, but think of
Yes.
any one thing and you can share. Yes.
Okay, so see, I'll start with my first client success story.
Yes.
So like the first person I helped was, she did not believe in me, first of all, कि I will be able to help her. So the first time I told her after completing my life coaching certification, she rejected me first. कि you will not be able to help me. So वो 2 to 3 days के बाद I started feeling disappointment. But she came back to me. I made her believe that age does not matter. I
Yes.
have been through an experience of depression, and if I can do it, I have been trained by India's leading life coach, so I have the
Yes.
credibility to help you.
To help you.
And
Yes.
that's when she put a lot of trust on me. 3 months it took for her to transform. She was able to attract her dream job. She was able to start loving herself first of all. She was able to come out of her depression, right? She started earning as well when she manifested her dream job. Then every single thing, even if the outer world did not change, the inner world was changing and she was happy with it. Because जब आप एक अपने
Yes.
inner world को accept करते हो तो outer world में कुछ
Outer
भी
world.
happy. Because
Because
you're
at the
happy.
end of the day, everything comes to your inner
Yes.
transformation, your inner self. And tell
Yes.
me one thing, Gargi, how does your day look like? What time you wake up? Tell us about your daily routine, because nowadays, other things, not only youngsters, even elders, the first difficult thing is to wake up in the morning and start your day. How do you manage your day? How does your days
Okay.
look like?
Okay. See, like my thing right now, the only schedule which I have is all sessions. Like I
Yes,
do a lot of one-on-ones.
yes.
Being into healing as well, I need to do it. And second thing is, I help coaches in a one-on-one way, not in a group
Before
way.
this broadcast, also, I think you had your
Yes,
community session
yes.
and then you have joined.
Yes,
Yes,
absolutely. So I do more of one-on-ones. So my day will start around like I wake up every single day, maybe around 7 a.m. Right? 7 a.m. is the time which I wake up.
yes,
After that, 7 a.m. pe when I wake up, the first hour, I usually like to devote it to gratitude or anything
yes.
that can help me to uplift my mood. So it could be my mentor's course or anything else.
Any,
After that, from 9 a.m., I actually start my sessions. So 9 a.m. to,
your coaching sessions,
yes,
right?
yes,
No,
9 a.m. to, you can say till 10 p.m. I am taking sessions only. Yes, like they are all back to
that's your
back classes. Yes,
back to back classes.
yes,
Okay.
and on weekends, either I have my mentors classes or I
Or
have my own community sessions. So right now, not much, only my gratitude thing and only the career part.
how did you spend your weekends? Weekends also you take sessions or you go out
Yes.
with friends
No, no, no.
or how
I am an introvert. I love to be at home.
coaching
Yes,
your community,
yes,
right?
yes,
See, today is Sunday and you just had your session and coming to the podcast.
yes,
That itself shows your commitment to your community. And because it was not easy for you at the age of 13 to build this, maybe you yourself, maybe your family members might not have thought that you would be.
yes.
And you have really made your parents proud. And anybody who might know you will be an inspiration to know you and to the way you are doing it. So
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations for that. Many more successes to come. Anything you want to share, any your learnings before we end, your 5 learnings in this 5 year journey?
Okay. So like any 5 learnings which I would like to tell is first, more than the success, what I feel proud of is the person I am becoming.
Yes,
Like आप कितना भी सक्सेस जीत लो या whatever fame, whatever amount you are earning every single month, but the first thing is you are growing as a person, right? Because more than a mentor, I love being the student of my mentors, because I
okay.
believe the second learning which I believe is your students are just a reflection of you, and I
Yes,
take it very seriously. If I am a fast action taker, I know
they will also be.
my students are going to be a fast action taker. So I always believe कि the way I am taking the energy and lead forward, they are going to follow back. So वो इतना energy नहीं डालना पड़ता किसी को push करने में,
Push
because
karna.
I am
It
doing
is,
it, so they will do.
yes,
Yes. The third learning which I will say is one of the biggest learnings from this year was just surrender. That
yes,
a lot of times things are not going to go your way. You will feel
yes,
sad, you are going to feel demotivated, but the only thing is surrender and know that universe has your back. I think the fourth learning which I had or which I have in this journey is that the more you surround yourself with the like-minded people, you will stop listening to outside people who are like stealers, or who are
yes,
stopping you to achieve anything in your life. And
yes,
the fifth learning which I will say is, until and unless your why is not strong, you won't be able to make it far. आप 2-3 स्टेप्स चलोगे, फिर रुक
yes.
जाओगे, फिर चलोगे, फिर
चलोगे
रुक
फिर
जाओगे. वो रुकना ठीक है, लेकिन एक टाइम के बाद पूरा बंद कर देना इज बहुत like at the end you are going to feel that you didn't do anything. So
yes,
I think the fifth will be, if you are meant to do something, आप distraction से के पाथ से go through करते करते भी उसी चीज पे आओगे.
focus.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. So these are the 5 learnings.
amazing learnings and amazing for the people who are seeing. Please learn so many things to learn from her at the age of just 17. Isn't it inspiring? Your goals for 2025, Gargi, before we end. What are your dreams, your goals for 2025?
Okay, see, like one of the goals is of course to spread more value in my community
Yes.
and to like grow it to the next level. The second thing will be, like I just saw that Jack Canfield is coming in
Coming.
Mumbai.
Yes,
So
yes.
yes, for like
February,
game changers.
February change makers. Yeah.
Yes. So
Yes.
I think that will be my second goal for 2025. Third goal will be to have a vision for people of my age. So,
Hmm.
like since the starting I'd been thinking, but अभी मुझे इसका पूरा way नहीं मिल रहा है how to do it.
How-
But in 2025, I've already started making plans to help people of my age. Because these things, if we learn at this age, your life is
Yeah, life
sorted.
is set. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Such a valuable learning. If you learn these things at this age, your life is sorted. All the youngsters, please watch out. Start following Gargi Arya and start following her manifestation secrets and techniques. If you want to join her community or to take any inspiration from her, guidance from her, I'll share the link in the description. You are feel free to contact Gargi. Thank you, Gargi, for coming here and sharing your life insights with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great pleasure to be here. And thank you, everyone. Hope I was able to give you value.
Yes, the pleasure is all mine to invite you to inspire so many people. That's what I'm trying. Even if one person, one youngster gets inspired by our talks today, our purpose and mission is done. So thank you for coming here.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.